everyone, welcome back to Learning Fun Zone. Do you enjoy car rides? Yes, we are going to drive our car across the city using Scratch Junior. So let's get started. Open the Scratch Junior app and let's get started. I will share my screen. So let's start a new project. And as usual, we will take the character or sprite. So you have different cars over here. Choose whichever you like. I will choose this blue one. Or do you want the school bus? Okay, we will take the school bus. But we want this bus to be a little smaller. So I will just click on this blue, on this purple icon, on this purple block, and I will just reduce the size a bit. And I will just reduce the size a bit. I think. Okay, I think this is good enough. Take this bus over here and let us delete the default sprite. Cross this red cross off. Now what else do we want to do? We want a new background. Go over here and choose any background of your choice. So preferably we will drive it on the road, so we want a city background. And let us place our bus on the road. Okay, so we are set, right? The character and the background. Now what else do we want? And we have shrink this bus a bit. So for shrink, you just have to drag this one and shrink it. Shrink it and then leave it. You can just leave this in this tab. Now let us write the program for this. We'll start with the yellow blocks. Yellow blocks are the trigger blocks. So we have to write the trigger. So the first trigger is the green flag. So whenever we click on the green flag, the project starts executing. Right? Let us take the green flag. Now we want the bus to move towards the right side. So let us take the right arrow and we want it to move, want it to go on and on. So let us add it to suppose 18. Let's see where it goes. Okay, it is going and coming back. So we can take the grid. With the help of the grid, we can find out where we want to go. So here it is 1 and here it is 19 or 20 steps, right? So let us take, this is at 4 and we want it to go to 20, right? So here around 16 steps we can take to reach the end. Perfect. And we will end the program with the help of red block. Let's remove the grid now and let's try to run this. Okay, the bus has stopped now. So what if we add a forever loop over here? Let's try to run this. So we can see the bus is going and then again coming from the starting position. So here we can just change this number with the help of grid. So from the starting position till the end position, you have to calculate this grid and add that number over here. So we will try to run this now. Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Awesome, isn't it? This is our first project that is moving across the city. We can name it. We can name it like Wheels on the Bus. So with the help of just 3 blocks, we have created this amazing game. Isn't it awesome? You can add more characters in this game. You can add an elephant, you can add a wizard, a dragon, or anything that you wish to appear on the road, and you can add some movement together. So use your imagination, change the characters, change the backdrops, and try to run this project. Thank you. Bye bye.